A federal judge is ordering Immigration and Customs Enforcement to release a Maine teenager, Olivia Andre, who's been held at a Texas detention facility for months. Congresswoman Shelley Pingree has been calling for her release for weeks. Here's part of a letter she sent to the acting director of ICE last month. Now, earlier this week, before the judge's order, Pingree visited the teen in Texas.
The Congresswoman said she also shared a plea from Andre to return home to her family. News Center Maine's Alex Haskell has been following this development for us today. He joins us live in the newsroom with the details. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Brian. Hi, Amanda. Well, one of Andre's attorneys tell me she does not believe Andre will be released today because she would have expected an update from ICE by now.
She was so grateful to hear the amazing news.
Attorney Elora Mukherjee says she was finally able to speak with her client, 19-year-old nursing student Olivia Andre, after a federal judge ruled she must be released from ICE custody in Texas following nearly 6 months in detention.
We're so grateful that the court recognized that there is no lawful basis for her detention, and she is being detained in violation of the U.S. Constitution.
Andre's attorneys say she, along with her mother and 2 siblings, was taken into custody by U.S. Customs and Border Protection after attempting to seek asylum in Canada back in November.
They didn't know that there was an agreement between Canada and the United States where you have to pick one of the 2 countries to seek asylum in. So they're effectively leaving America, hoping for better treatment from Canada.
In November, a Customs and Border Protection spokesperson told News Center Maine the family unit had previously illegally entered the United States in 2022. To date, no member of the family unit has valid, current, or pending status changes. Andre's attorneys dispute that claim, saying the family was actively seeking asylum.
Somebody isn't illegally doing anything when they're availing themselves of the legal process.
The attorneys say that in November 2025, the family filed a petition for review with the First Circuit Court of Appeals connected to their asylum case. That appeal is now pending before 3 federal appellate judges.
We should not be keeping young people and families or literally anybody with legal rights to be out in detention centers like Dilley.
Recently, U.S. Representative Shelley Pingree visited the Dilley Immigration Processing Center in Texas, where Andre has been held, to meet with her.
The food is inadequate, the water is inadequate, the health care is inadequate. It's lonely and isolating, and to be separated from your family when you've done, absolutely nothing wrong is sort of unthinkable.
Now in March, Andre's family was released from the Dilley Processing Center in Texas while she was not let go. Her attorneys say they filed 3 separate parole requests specifically seeking her release, but ICE denied each one. That's when attorneys filed a federal habeas corpus petition, which ultimately resulted in the judge ordering Andre's release. In the newsroom, Alex Haskell, News Center Maine.